Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Confianands and this is Pandana. Oh, I'm sorry, this is Shreya Jain. I'm kidding you guys. I tried following one of the Shreya Jain's makeup tutorial. We know that following your favorite YouTubers looks is something which is trending on YouTube these days. So I thought I would also create some video like so. And I chose Shreya Jain's makeup tutorial because I just love her. I love her work. She's really hardworking and I'm a huge fan of hers. And I know I'm just a beginner, but still I tried following her and I just thoroughly enjoyed following her makeup tutorial, and I just loved the way this look turned out. And I tried to follow the Navratri look, and she wore a beautiful purple dress and she does a purple makeup which I tried today, but I just don't have a purple dress, so I thought I'll just wear what I have and just recreate the look. So this is the final look I've created and I'm absolutely loving this. And if you want to know how I did this, just keep on watching. So this is my bare face, and let's move on to make it better. I just don't have any of the products which she is using, but I'm trying to use something similar which she is using. So I'll just mention everything in the bottom bar because each time I just don't want to say like, so I don't have this, so I'm using this, I don't have this, so I'm using this.
I'm starting off with my primer, which is the Inglow Under Makeup Base, and I'm just going to pat it into my skin. I'm not rubbing this around as it is a silicone based primer.
So for my base, I'm using this Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. This is also a silicone based primer,
Which is going to be Maybelline Fit Me foundation for today. So I'm just applying this with my finger all over my face and then blending it out with my sponge to get a flawless and nice base.
Next, she is going in with foundation. So she used the Fit Me foundation, so I'm using the same as well. I think this is the only product which I'm using the same. So I'm using this in the shade 330, which is Toffee Caramel. I'm just going to apply the way she did. Ow.
Taking NYX Conceal, Correct and Contour palette, I'm going to use the yellow shade to kind of color correct my under eyes as well as the corners of my mouth before going in with Revlon Color Stay Concealer, and I'm just going to apply it on top of the yellow corrector that I've just applied to ensure that I have maximum brightness going under my eyes.
The one I have is the Freedom Pro Conceal and Correct palette, which is something similar to that. I just badly used this, so it's looking very bad right now, but still I'm just going ahead and using this out. So I'm using this yellow color right here. And she topped it with a Revlon Color Stay Concealer. But here I'm taking this LA Girl HD Pro Concealer and just topping over. Just going to take the sponge and blend it out.
Then I'm going to take Victoria Banana Powder. I'm just going to set my under eyes.
Using this Bharat Dorris loose powder in the shade 07.
Again, I'm just going into the same palette. I'm going to pick up two darker shades to contour my.
I'm taking the same Freedom palette and I'm using this brown shades right here to contour.
Then I'm taking Face Shop Cushion Blush and I'm just going to apply it on my cheek. It's a beautiful cool tone plum shade.
I'm taking the Sivana Colors blush palette and I'm using this purple shade as my blush.
For that, taking Face's Altine Pro Illuminating Powder, I'm just going to highlight my face with this one. It's a beautiful goldeny but not.
I'm using this Wet n Wild highlighting powder.
and taking a quick little shower in the setting spray just to ensure that all of the excess powders get picked up when I apply my sponge on top of my face.
I'm using this Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Fixing Spray. Now she takes the sponge and just dabs and sets everything there.
Taking Natio's eyebrow kit and filling in my brows in the normal usual way that I like to fill in my brows, that is using horizontal and vertical strokes.
I'm using this Wet n Wild brow kit to fill in my eyebrows. I'm just loving my brows. You can just see the difference.
And then I'm going to take the 35 shadow palette. This is a beautiful palette. I'm picking up this brown shade and I'm going to pop this in my crease as a transition color. I'm just picking up different tones of brown and I'm popping them in my crease just to define my crease and build it up to like a nice accent.
So I don't have the same palette, so I'm using this Maybelline Nudes palette to just kind of use the brown shades and build the colors in the outer corner. I may not have the same brown shades she's using, but still I'm just trying to do with what I have. I'm just using the black color with a small brush. I don't do it in the waterline, so I'm just going ahead and doing the same in the waterline. Now I'm using this beautiful purple shade from Lakme 925 palette. Now I'm using this highlighting shade here from the Nudes palette to highlight my inner corners.
I'm just going to pop this on my bottom and top lashes just to add a nice color and definition to my lashes.
For my lashes, I'm going with this Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara.
For my lipstick, I'm using Victoria Matte Lipstick. It's a beautiful purple color and I'm going to apply it all over my lips.
Now I'm using this L'Oreal Paris lipstick in a beautiful purple shade. I finally added a pair of false lashes off camera and added this beautiful pair of earrings and the finger ring I'm wearing here. I just personally love this look, but I don't know what you guys think. So please do comment down below how this look turned out. I wish Shreya Jain watches this video and fingers crossed. So I hope so you all like this video and please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And that's it, we will talk soon. Till then, be beautiful, be confident. Bye.